Hello and welcome to Jetwave Group's new and exciting YouTube content studio. Headquartered in Adelaide, Australia. Our aim is to educate and inspire our audience on Jetwave's offering of high pressure water cleaners and water jetting systems. By showcasing our machines in a video format, going in depth on every aspect of the machine, components and parts, offering you, the end users, more of an insight into what makes Jetwave machines a great pick for people wanting to invest into a professional solution. Long story short, some years ago, a focus on innovation transformed what was then Seco Industrial Services into the industry aspiring leader that Jetwave Group is today. Jetwave Group is rolling out its proof of their commitment in the shape of a globally competitive line of high performance, high pressure water cleaners and water jetting systems for hard-working professionals. What started as a vision to be the best in design and manufacturing of robust hot and cold water, electric, petrol, diesel units is now hard at work in demanding commercial environments around the globe. So stay tuned for some of our high quality content coming your way on all of our social media platforms. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. We'll see you in the next video.